Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I'm going to be going through an Etsy shop critique. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if this is your first time here, I will be going through an Etsy shop critique where I will go through branding, aesthetic, price, dive into a few listings, and just kind of see if we can't increase traffic to the store, which will then increase, hopefully, sales and that elusive conversion rate that we all want to be up there when people come visit our store, okay? And if you haven't already, go ahead and join up on the Facebook group, and you can find that link in the description box below. We are creating a community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their business with semi-passive income through digital downloads. I do these completely off the cuff, so I have not looked at the shop aside from just choosing 2 listings to look at. So you guys will see my reactions as we go through, and hopefully you get a little bit out of this. And yeah, we'll get started. So today I am looking at SweebietCreative. This is Bianca's shop, and she is from the Netherlands. She does have, it looks like, a logo here, which she has up here in her banner, which is creative social media and Canva templates, okay? She has had 3 sales. I'm going to go ahead and click on favorite on her shop. Her shop sections are filled out. It looks like she has made an announcement just a few days ago, so that is good. She has her featured items here. Looks like somebody has left a 5-star review, so that's really good. She does have an about me where she goes through her work. And this is her second shop, so congratulations on having a second shop. And I love this little story, so that's fantastic. She has a link for a shop website, has her shop member filled out, has her returns and exchanges, and a little bit of FAQ. So that's great. You have all your shop sections filled out. I always tell everybody that's super important because Etsy does look at that when they are ranking people in search results, though it doesn't give you a huge boost. It does add some value to that ranking, okay? So I went ahead and chose a few listings that I would like to look at. One thing I did notice is the price points. So I wanted to go through the price points just a little bit. They seem pretty reasonable. These icons are priced at about $2.50 for highlight story covers. And for 50 Instagram story templates, you're paying about $12.60 US. Now, I'm presuming since you're in the Netherlands, you're using some sort of different currency. This is converting over to USD for me. Okay, but your price points don't seem too low for the products that you're offering. I did find it interesting that you have these Instagram story templates and Instagram highlight icons, but then you're also providing resume templates. So I'm just a little bit confused as to why you're providing resume templates in here, because it just seems not to mesh with everything that you have going on. The templates are gorgeous, by the way, just from what I can see on these promotional images. However, it just doesn't really seem to fit. So if you're not getting any traffic on those, you're legit just wasting 20 cents every time the listing renews. If that's something you're interested in doing, I would create an entirely different shop to focus strictly on resume templates, okay? Because it seems like right now you're focused on Instagram. You have Instagram highlights, you have media kits, you have Instagram quotes, Instagram post templates, and Instagram story templates. I presume these media kits have everything in them that you need to go through things. And I would think that you could leave something like that in your shop without an issue. But it seems like you're very hyper-focused on Instagram, which is fantastic. People love this stuff. They don't have time to create it. They're looking to create a brand. They want consistency. So it's a really good niche to get into. So I highly encourage you to continue down that path, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and look at your first listing here, which is the fashion lookbook, okay? Your first promo image is great. It's showing them what the pins will look like. You have a nice mock-up of a phone here, showing some of these other templates as well. And to be honest with you, I love stuff like this because I'm lazy and I don't have time to do this. So you've created these in Canva, which is great. Anybody can use them. You do explain how it works. The PDF will contain a link to the template in Canva. Open the link, then you'll get what you need. You do list your terms of use in your listing, which is awesome. And you also have a coupon code and talk about how you would appreciate a review. Okay, so that's great. I love that. Okay, looking at your title, 10 fashion lookbook Instagram story template, Canva. Elegant chic, Instagram, graphics, beauty, social media, marketing template. This title really isn't that bad. I would maybe suggest breaking up a little bit. The 10 doesn't really matter, I don't think. It may. Fashion lookbook Instagram story templates. Stop. Okay. Canva Instagram story template. Stop. Instagram beauty graphic template. Stop. You don't really need social media, elegant chic, or marketing template in there. I think if you just split that up into 3, that would be perfect, but this is a really good go at your title. It explains what you have, you know, and that's exactly what you want to do when you're writing a title. I definitely recommend copying and pasting that title and putting in the first line of your description, okay? 10 edible and custom... Okay, you talk about Canva, you have your coupon codes, what they will get, a link to some freebies, how you use them, and then your terms of use, where to contact you, and your copyright. So I think the description's great. I don't think you need any work on that except for getting that title up in there. So your meta description will be pulled by Google. That will help you in Google search results, okay? So we'll go ahead and look at the 10 fashion lookbook elegant chic. Are these the same? Are these the same listing? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this to see what your title and tags looks like. Your visibility score is good. All right, I'm gonna sort this by average searches. Instagram templates was on the up and up back in January of 2020, and I think they will be up again soon here. You've used this in your description, but you haven't used it in your title. So what Etsy Rank is trying to tell you is that if you have a specific keyword that you are trying to target, in this case, Instagram templates, which has a decent amount of searches, not a ton of competition, you want to put Instagram template in your title, your tags, in your description. Because Etsy says, hey, a person is searching for Instagram template. I'm going to put this listing in front of the customer because they're more likely to buy. All right. Social media obviously is kind of a waste of a tag. Canva templates has some searches, but not much. And it does have quite a bit of competition. Instagram branding is a decent tag. Marketing template. You can see the competition is high here and the search volume is pretty low. Instagram stories, Instagram graphics. 10 fashion lookbook is kind of a waste of a tag. So you have all your 13 tags filled out, but it definitely needs some work to direct people to where they're going. So what I mean by that is you've created Instagram templates, correct? And so what you want to do is include in your tags keywords that people would use to search for your Instagram template. So it would be like fashion Instagram template, if that will fit. It might be too long. And just kind of describe what you're actually providing, if that makes any sense. So fashion lookbook template, fashion designer Instagram, social media template, social media kit, things of that nature when you're filling your tags out. And I think that will definitely help you get seen a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and back out, close out of this one. So here you actually have these icons that people can use, I guess, on their stories. You do have contact me if you need custom colors, max 2 colors. So if somebody needs custom colors, they can change that. Different ways that people can use them. monotone or a mix and match. And you talk about how it's used, your coupon codes, rating, and then it shows the beige and the pink single line icons that are here, okay? This is a really cute and clever idea. One thing I did notice when going through your promo images, your logo doesn't show anywhere. So if somebody was to stumble upon this on Pinterest or Google or whatever, your logo is not prevalent anywhere, and so you may want to consider getting your logo on your Etsy thumbnail somewhere, okay? So cute Instagram highlight story covers for dogs, for dog owners, pet aesthetic, pink beige, IG highlight icons, social media icons. It's not horrible, but it's not great. I would leave it as Instagram highlight story cover for dogs. Instagram highlight icons, social media icons, and maybe just leave it at that, okay? Once you optimize that title, you're going to want to copy and paste it, put it at the beginning of the description. I just want to make sure if there is anything in here that might be different than the last, and it doesn't look like it really is, okay? So we'll go ahead and we'll look at cute Instagram. The tags and see how we're doing here, okay? The visibility score is 95%, so that's good. Let me look at your tags. So, you have some really high competition tags here. Pet, pink, cute, dogs. These single word tags aren't doing you any justice. You're just really wasting tag space. Branding kit is a good tag. Social media icons is a good tag to use. Beige is not going to help you. You can put this in your attributes as a main color. I would put beige and pink up there in your attributes because those will count as tags when people filter through. Highlight covers, Instagram highlight, Instagram covers for dog owners. Crazy enough, the competition on that tag is over 50,000 and it has no search results. Instagram highlight icon, story highlights. So the tags need some work. The good news is you do have a lot of your tags that are in the title. A lot of the keywords that are in the title, rather, are in your tags. But you have these single word tags that are just not going to help you get any traction. Let me go back and see how many views this one had before I... It's had 9 views since its inception, which wasn't too long ago. So really that's not too bad. What you want to do is you want to think about what your customer base is and what they're going to search for to try to find what your item is, okay? And that's going to be the biggest thing. As you start to add more items to your shop, you will see that traction pick up. And so right now you do have 20 items in your shop. Again, the resume template is throwing me off just a bit. Ooh, excuse me. I really think that Instagram focus will be a good way for you to gain niche and brand credibility with people on Etsy and other platforms. And this type of stuff is sought after on other platforms. So you can eventually branch off of Etsy and go sell on another digital platform. We can talk about that more. So overall, I don't really have a ton of feedback. I think the more items you get up, the better it's going to be. You have your banner up there. You have your logo. You are making some sales slowly since you have opened your shop. Your shop is completely filled out, shop section wise. Again, the CV resume templates is kind of throwing me off a little bit. I'm not sure why that's there. You may want to consider separating that out if that's something that you enjoy creating. And then you may want to consider getting your logo in these promo images somewhere. That way, if somebody finds you on Google or Pinterest or some search engine, they know where to look so they can purchase the item from you. Instead of just kind of floundering out in space there. And then, aside from that, you want to, I think your titles just need to be tweaked at very, 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 very little. And then the tags, depending on if you have these single line tags or single word tags or not, you definitely want to work on those tags. So if you have any questions about anything that I went over, drop a comment below or go over to the Facebook group and feel free to ask me there. I'm more than happy to help you. I find a lot of joy and pride in helping people. It makes me very happy, so I feel very fulfilled when I can do that. And if you've gotten something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep you motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if y'all need anything else, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll catch you on the next video.